We are going to learn about the sounds that make up words. This will help you learn to read. I know that you're really interested in Penn State football, so if you learn to read, then you can read all sorts of articles and books about football. First, let's look at these pictures. This is man. Man is like a man like your dad or a football player. This is fan. Fan is something that you might use if you're really hot in the summer to keep you cool. This is fall. Fall is the season when the leaves change colors or when you might see football games. This is fat. You might get fat if you eat too much Thanksgiving food. I'm going to say a word slowly. Listen to the word. Point to the picture of the word. I'll show you. I'm going to say a word slowly. Man. Now I point to the picture man. I'll do another one. Now let's do one together. I'm going to say a word slowly. Listen to the word. Then we will point to the picture of the word. I'm going to say a word slowly. Fat. 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 Now let's point to the picture fat. You're right. Fat is fat. It's your turn. I'm going to say a word slowly. Listen to the word. Then point to the picture of the word. I'm going to say a word slowly. Fall. Point to the picture. Fall. You pointed to man. Fall is fall.